Hello everyone, this is Sierra 21 Victor Mike from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, today I'm gonna show you one demonstration of a device named Radiometer. It's an amazing meter. I don't know why they named it Radiometer. There's a lot of debate and a lot of information going on in the internet. You can search with the word Radiometer and you will find everything. So in a very short, the thing I can say is it was supposed to measure the radio field, but it's actually not doing that. It actually works on the photon particles. When the photon particles hit on this, it starts rotating, so it actually can give you how much photon particles are coming in, and based on that it can give a lot of things. Okay, I will discuss later on, but plenty of sunlight, so it's you can see the RPM is very high in here. This is a vacuum bulb, and on that needle this fan is rotating over here, so nothing is tied up, no connectivity, nothing, it's just plain things. Okay, now the magic comes. I will block every light on it. See, okay, my hands are not enough to stop every photons, but I think I am enough. Let me block it by myself. You can see the what to say, my shadows. See, there is my head, my shadow. So I am just blocking the sunlight on it. Just the photon particles are not hitting over there. Photon particles are hitting on my back instead. So it's stopped rotating almost. Okay, let me move it from here. Let's see whether it gains the speed without touching it again. Okay, it's slightly gaining. Yep, it gained some good amount of RPM. Sun is very hot in here, but sometimes what happens is in front of the sun some mild clouds are coming that I cannot show you just because of it's a cell phone cam, and it's not able to take pictures of the sun directly, but I can bet you that the clouds are in front of the sun sometimes. Then when clouds moves away, then sun is fully clear, and then it has a very good RPM now. So even sometimes it drops, it gains without me. So based on how much sunlight actually it's giving, and more sunlight without any barrier, that means more photons, photon particles are hitting. Okay, let me now describe you how it works perfectly. I'm again blocking with my back, giving some shade so that photons will not hit, photons will not come in here. Okay, now see, it's losing its RPM. Still it's a good amount of RPM. My bare eyes can see a lot more better than the cams, because cams are like well, it's 30 FPS, but eyes are more than that. Okay, anyway, so now you can see all these plates. These plates, they catch, they gets like the photon particles come and hits over there. So when the photon particles are hitting over there on the plates, it starts rotating. It's just like the traditional turbines or wind turbines, something like that. But here, instead of the wind, it's only the photons, only the photons. Okay, let me again show you this. I'm moving. Start rotating slightly. It's gaining, and it will gain just because photons are hitting over there. Every photon particles is just hitting, and it's moving. So that's what the radiometer is doing. Actually, it doesn't measure the RF energy. It gives you an idea of about the presence of the photon. And yes, here the big physics come. So the photon has some mass, and that photon can make something to move. That's a great thing. Yep, good things to study. Photons and all those things. So well, the big part is radiometer. It doesn't measure radio energy. It actually measures how much photon is in there. So though there is no way to measure like in a unit like 1, 2, 3, 4, but at least it gives you an idea. So more photons, more speed, less photons, less speed. Say even my hand. So my hand is not giving enough photons. Okay, I'm not touching it. You can see speed light reduced. Hang on, you can see. Okay, hands removed, and it's gaining again. So more photons, more speed, less photons, less speed. So it doesn't matter whether I block photons in here. Even if the sun is covered by sun is shaded by some clouds, then cloud is actually resisting all those photons, so it will not rotate properly. RPM will drop. So right now not that much of cloud in front of the sun, more or less it's in a good condition, and yes, it's a very good RPM. Okay, so that was a good demonstration, I believe, for a radiometer. Hope we will come with some more new things, but for now it's 73, and bye bye. Sarah 2 and Victor Mike from Dhaka, Bangladesh. See you later. 73, bye.